We have a Southwestern Industries CNC vertical milling machine, model FHM7, serial number 091CY6263. This machine was new in 2009, and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has a Proto-Trak SMX control, which is a Southwestern Industries control. You have a large table, 76 by 14. This table was reground and new TURCITE put underneath it.
500 RPM.
Right now we are running at 500 RPM and you can't hear the spindle, it's that quiet. It's a programmable spindle speed up to 5,000.
1500.
That's 1500. It is a 40 taper spindle.
2500.
2500 RPM. Now, the x-axis travel is 60 inches. 3,500 RPM. So you have that 76 by 14 table with 60 inches of X travel, 23 inches of Y saddle, and 20.5 of Z head travel. That's the head up and down. Now the machine has digital hand wheels, which allows you to have the TRAKing feature. You have a weight capacity on the table of 2,200 pounds. He's moving the digital hand wheel right now, which turns the control into a digital readout. And you can also move the Z-axis as well with that digital handle. So you saw the X, Y, and Z move. You saw the spindle go up. Again, this is a 40 taper machine. And thank you for watching our video.